Okay, so in this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sabrent Mac Mini Visa mount. It is basically a mounting bracket that holds your Mac Mini and helps free up your desk. You can mount the bracket a few ways, such as the back of your monitor, under your desk, or if you prefer, on the wall. For me, the main purpose is to declutter my desk so that it looks neater and that I have more space to work with. Looking at my desk, you can see that it's a mess with all the cables, so what I'm gonna do is attach the mounting bracket to my Visa compatible monitor, which basically means you need to have the standard 4 holes at the back of it to work. But before we do that, let's see what comes with the box. So you get the mount itself, made up of metal, along with some rubber paddings that prevents the Mac Mini from getting scratched. You will also see some pre-made holes on the mount, and you get screws. So installation is pretty straightforward, and all you need to do is to screw the mount directly with the provided screws. Next, slide in the Mac Mini. And that's pretty much it. Mounting it just took a few minutes. At this point, you might be wondering if it's possible to put it the other way around with the ports facing down. Well, yes, you can, but for me, I prefer the ports to be facing up so that I can easily see and access the ports when I need to. Besides, the OCD in me will not be able to tolerate the Apple logo being upside down. Now, the part that takes a little more time is reconnecting the cables for the devices I have and making them neat with cable ties. One disadvantage, however, is that I will never be able to use a monitor arm with my monitor. But for me, that's okay. So, if you are intending to buy one, that is something you need to consider. The other thing to consider is to make sure you get the right mounting bracket for your Mac Mini. In this video, my Mac Mini is an M1 2020 version. So, what do you guys think? Is this something you would buy? Let me know in the comments. And I'll leave a link in the description down below if you're interested in buying one. My name is Hafiz, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.